Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Are you a SUI token holder or developer looking to boost trading activity? In today's video, we'll explore the top 3 reasons why Cetus Volume Booster is the go-to solution for amplifying liquidity and creating stronger trading ecosystems. Stick around to see how DEX Volume Bots can help you unlock even greater benefits. Before we dive into the reasons, let's understand why liquidity and trading volume matter. Seamless trades. High liquidity allows for smooth transactions without significant price slippage. Increased visibility. Tokens with strong volume are more likely to attract traders and investors. Stronger ecosystem. Active trading fosters a healthy environment for both holders and developers. Cetus Volume Booster plays a pivotal role in achieving these goals, making it a must-have for Sui token projects. The first reason is automated liquidity management. With Cetus Volume Booster, you can automate trades to maintain liquidity across decentralized exchanges, stabilize prices with dynamic algorithms that adjust to market conditions, save time by eliminating manual liquidity management tasks. Next up is enhanced token visibility. By increasing trading volume, Cetus Volume Booster helps your token rank higher on DEX leaderboards, attracting more attention. Become more appealing to centralized exchanges for potential listings. Build market confidence, drawing in new investors. The more visible your token is, the stronger its position in the Sui ecosystem. The third reason is real-time analytics and customization. Cetus Volume Booster provides tools to monitor trading activity, liquidity pool performance, and ROI in real time. Adjust parameters like trading volume targets, price spreads, and frequency. Experiment with strategies to align with your project's goals and market trends. This level of control empowers both developers and holders to optimize performance and maximize results. Now, let's take it a step further with DEX Volume Bots. These bots complement Cetus Volume Booster by enhancing automation to cover multiple trading pairs and exchanges, providing deeper insights through advanced analytics and reporting, scaling volume strategies for long-term growth and sustainability. Before we wrap up, here are some questions to consider. How can automated liquidity management enhance your token's performance? What visibility goals do you have for your Sui token? Are you leveraging analytics to optimize your strategy effectively? How can DEX Volume Bots complement your use of Cetus Volume Booster? Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel powered by Ranga Technologies. Cetus Volume Booster is the ultimate tool for increasing liquidity, boosting visibility, and creating a stronger trading ecosystem for your Sui token. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into blockchain tools and strategies. Check out the recommended videos on the screen to learn more about maximizing your token's potential. See you in the next video.